The OPMI LUMERA 700 from ZEISS allows you to set hand grip preferences for each user and each surgical profile. From the main touchscreen, select the user icon and then select the user icon again on the second screen. Select the name of the user you would like to configure. Once the user is selected, the user icon will show their name. Select the surgery profile icon for the surgery profile you want to view or modify. Select the Activate icon, then select the back arrow to return to the main screen with the new user and surgery profile active. Next, configure the hand grip preferences. From the main touchscreen, select the Additional Settings icon, and then select the Hand Grip icon to view the Hand Grip Configuration screen. On the Hand Grip Configuration screen, you see two tabs to the right. Tab 1 is for the left hand grip, and Tab 2 is for the right hand grip. On each tab screen, there is an icon labeled Both. This will allow you to program both hand grips at the same time and with the same configuration. This is a matter of user preference. Each hand grip icon has 5 function options pointing to it and that indicate the current programmed functions. To change a programmed function, select the button pointing to the hand grip switch you want to change. A drop-down menu will appear. With the up-down arrows, scroll and select the new function you want. Once all functions are changed to the user's preference, select the Save icon at the bottom of the screen. The icon will have a floppy disk on it with the name of the user and user profile. Select the back arrow twice to return to the main screen. Reach up to the microscope head and use the hand grips to release the brakes. Pull the microscope down to its working position, and then select the switch or switches that you programmed to verify the settings are correct.